Okay, today we'll be looking at the Napa Gold oil filter, number 7055. And you can get this at Napa Auto Parts for $7.99. So let's get started. It looks like it has a metal, except for it's supposed to get your inner here, filtration of anywhere here. What's this? All right, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Yep, made in Mexico. Here's a date code. That's a pretty easy one, 9/23/20. You got 8 inlet holes, nitro rubber O-ring, and this thing's on here pretty good. I'm not even gonna take it off. I mean, that's staying on there. You'll probably stay on there good even after you take it off. After your oil change. It's nice. Yeah, I couldn't find any oil change interval numbers for this little sticker here. Man and Hubble. I say we open her up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, this filter weighs 8.2 ounces. And I gotta say, I'm very impressed with this oil filter. Now, before I even show you any more, I'm gonna give you some specs on this oil filter. Wix doesn't seem to be too shy about giving out information about it. So here's some specs, which I wish they would all do this, but I got this from the Wix and Napa website. The filter media is an enhanced cellulose. It's got a nominal rating of 15, 99% efficiency at 23 microns. It holds 18 grams of dirt. The oil flow is 8 to 10 gallons per minute. And it has a bypass valve setting of 27 psi. Oh, a lot of information they gave. Well, here's your silicone anti-drain back valve. This is nice. Real nice feature. I noticed on this O-ring, if you can pick this up earlier, there's little tiny grooves in there. They make for a better seal, I think. Hope this is picking it up. Probably see it on the intro part anyways, because that's where I noticed it. But yeah, this is a nice O-ring base plate. It's got about 4 or 5 grooves here. It's nice. Feels nice. I'll weigh it too. It's 3.0 ounces. Yeah, 3 ounces. And I like this. I like this upper bypass. This is nice. This is nice. I've seen this on the Champ filters, I believe. I like this. This is cool. Yeah, this is nice. See, they got like a spring in there. Yeah, the oil comes through here. Comes out there and up here. Nice. Metal end caps. You got a little sloppy with the glue, but not too bad. Got your metal crimp seam. I counted 47 pleats. They're spaced pretty good. Metal core with holes. Yeah, that's all nice. And you got one of these, which I like too. Coil spring. These are nice. Keep everything nice and tight. Nice. The can I measured. I was getting about 0.5. Yeah, 0.4, 0.6, 0.5. You know, it's hard to measure the cans because this is right there, 0.5, because it you know, it got a little wiggle room. It's not flat. But anyways, it's a nice sturdy can. It didn't open up that easy, so it's a pretty good can. And the filter width. Let's put this to inches. Let's see. Got 1.67 inches. Yeah, let's give you the width. 2.34 inches wide. 2.20. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is on one of my. It's got to be my top 5. It's on my top 5 to 10, I guess. I don't know. Somewhere it's in the top 10, anyways, of oil filters that I've opened up. It's a nice looking filter. Well, tell you what. Let me cut this open and see how long she is. Okay, here she is all stretched out. And she's 38.5 inches long. Okay, here's your seam. And this filter media's got some impressive filtration numbers. Definitely nice. This is nice. Overall, this whole filter is a very nice filter. For $7.99, I give it one of these. This is a very good filter. I mean, this upper bypass valve is nice. The coil spring. I mean, you put this combo together, I'll show you how tight it is. The spring makes it. Put that in there. I mean, you can see how that coil spring works. Now, you could never do this with a leaf spring. It would just collapse. It wouldn't work. I mean, one thing, it stays like that. It doesn't bounce up like that. So, you know, you can see you got so much pressure. It's good. It keeps everything nice and tight inside. You know, you don't have no unnecessary bypass oil going by and stuff like that. You know, it's keeps it a lot better. The only thing lacking, I would say, on this whole filter, make it number 1. I mean, it's on my top 10 anyways, but would be a you know, a wire mesh backing, the polymer backing or something, you know, like the Purolator has, or the Wix XP has the metal backing, and the Fram Ultra has the metal backing. That's the only thing lacking with this whole filter. Otherwise, this is a very impressive filter. Very impressed with this filter. $7.99. It's a great filter. Well worth the money. Hey, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.